How's it going, guys? ThunderBuddy01 here. Do you want to provide extra support to the ThunderBuddy01 Media Network? Do you have extra cash lying around? Become an official ThunderBuddy superfan today. For just $2.99 a month, you'll get access to members-only perks, such as shoutouts, exclusive badges and emojis, priority replies to your comments, and when ThunderBuddy01 himself feels like it, early access to new videos. Do not delay, join now. You can use the link in the top of the description, or the blue join button. And as always, strike them likes, flood that subscribe button, and twist that notification bell. KXI89 be like, hey baby.
This has been a test of the NWR radio zone and same alerts for the C4 to 5. This is the National Weather Service Office at Brookhaven National Laboratory in Upton, New York. The preceding signal was a test of the NOAA All Hazards Radio Public Warning System on Station 435 from New York City. Activated by the signal to warn. Service at 11 a.m. each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed. Occur even though you are using a good quality receipt distances from the transmitter. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and state of Connecticut and for Nassau and Suffolk counties on Long Island in southeast New York. Once again, this was only a test. Partly cloudy. For WWH-33. We also activate the alarm Field, Fairfield, New Haven, and This has been an alarm test. especially dangerous weather situations. Specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal are normally every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe in the rest of today, sunny. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties and marine areas in near central and southern New Jersey: Burlington, Mercer, Middlesex, Monmouth, Ocean, Somerset, and Union, including the coastal waters from Sandy Hook to Little Egg and let out 40 nautical miles, Raritan Bay, Sandy Hook Bay, and New York Harbor. This concludes the weekly test